Okay, when you read the survey problem, you want to look for things that repeat themselves. And when I'm reading this, it says a television network conducted a market survey and the following information on viewing habits was obtained. And in the very first sentence, it says that 3 people prefer a reality show that is early on weekdays. And then as you keep reading through this, I keep seeing where it says reality shows, reality shows, reality shows. And then I see early, watch TV early, early, early. And weekdays, weekdays, weekdays. And then on the last one, it says that there are 13 people who prefer late weekend shows that are not reality shows. So what we're looking at here is 3 circles intersecting, because choice A said that there were 3 people who preferred a reality show early on the weekday. So reality shows is here. Any shows that are on early are here. And then all the reality TV shows are there. And so where all 3 of those intersect is dead in the center, which would be, I'm trying to highlight it in black, but it already looks pretty black. It'd be that triangular piece in the middle. That's where all 3 circles intersect. And then H down here, that's the other easiest one to figure out, because that is people who don't watch early, they watch late, don't watch on weekends, they don't watch on weekdays, they watch on weekends, and not reality. So that would be this area outside all 3 of those circles. And that's where I'd put the 13 people. And so what they do is, and then of course you'd go through B, C, D, E, F, and G and go through it all. All right. So they have identified the 3 circles, and they're going to label them W for weekdays, E for early, and R for reality shows. And then they picked out part A first, and that's where the 3 people, and I'll just put this all in, I guess, green here. Where all 3 circles intersect is right here in the center. And there's your 3. Now, the next thing you should go for are the Pope hat sections. There's this one here, and this one here, and this one there. The thing you have to remember, though, is, let's go with this one. Okay. Where the green circle and the purple circle intersect is this eyelet right here. But you've already got 3 people, because it's made up of 2 sections, the pink Pope hat and the green triangular centerpiece. So those 2 pieces should add up to the total number of people who like watching TV on weekdays that are reality shows. And then you're going to have another intersection that you'll be looking for. This one, you're going to be looking for where the people who like early programming that is reality shows, that would be this eyelet. But again, it's made up of that pink Pope hat and the triangular piece in the middle that already has 3 in it. And then there's one more section, and let's go just cut, no, all my colors are the same. Then you've got this eyelet right here, and that is the intersection of early and weekday. And again, it's made up of that pink Pope hat and that same triangular section. So when you get to section or part B of the word problem, and it says there are 14 people in the weekday intersects with early, that's the one I just did, this intersection here. You've already got 3 people there. And what you're looking for is how many people would be in this Pope hat. In the whole thing, there are 14 people, but you've already got 3 right here. So 14 minus 3 means there's another 11 in that Pope hat. And you keep going. I would do what's next. Let's see. Choice D said that there were 8 people who wanted to see weekday reality shows. So weekday and reality, I think I used yellow for that earlier. I can't remember. Weekday and reality is this intersection. But again, the Pope hat right now doesn't have any numbers in it, but you had labeled this section with a 3, and it's supposed to be a total of 8 people. So if there's 3 right here, then there has to be 5 in the pink area, and that adds up to 8. And then they did the same thing with the other, I'll erase that, the other one, which is where, let's see, condition C was reality intersected with, let me go back to that. Where was the original problem? Boop. C said 21 want to see reality shows early. 21 people altogether. So I am I here? Yeah, I'm here. They said 21 right there. Well, 21 minus 3 is the 18. That's where they got this 18 from. And again, you've got 3 here, so there's got to be 18 there. So that's how you would get the Pope hats. You have to look for the intersection of just 2 circles and then subtract out the 3 or whatever, you know, whatever is in your center circle right here from those. Okay, I'm running out of time, so I'm going to stop it right here and pick up on the next slide, which is where we figure out how to get these 3 booty pieces all filled in. Because you can see they have filled in the 3 here, and then they've done the 3 Pope hats. We just went through at that. How did they get the 11, the 5, and the 18? And in the next video, I will show you how you get that 12 and 4 and 14 and the 13.